You can work hard for 10 years and lose everything in just 10 days. This isn't bad luck. It's a trap most people walk straight into. During every market crash, 90% panic sell, while a small group quietly gets richer. The difference isn't intelligence, it's structure. They use a simple structure called the three-bucket rule. Stay with me, and you'll never fear a recession again. But here is the secret. That structure doesn't just protect your money, it protects your mind. Wall Street calls it asset allocation. I call it something else, your unsinkable ship. Because here's what actually destroys people in a crash. Not the market, their own brain. Picture this. You wake up tomorrow, market's down 30%, headlines screaming, crisis. If your money is 100% stocks or crypto, you are naked in a storm. Your heart races. Your brain screams, sell now. That's not weakness, that's biology. Now imagine this instead. Same crash, same red numbers, but you have protection, cash, stability, time. You don't panic, you breathe. That calm, that's emotional capital. Lose it, and no strategy can save you. That's why we don't start with returns. We start with structure. And now, let's build it. All right, enough theory. Let's build your financial ship. We're using the 60-30-10 rule. This isn't just saving. This is engineering. Your money gets divided into 3 strategic buckets. Each one has a mission. Bucket number 1, the safety bucket, 30%. This is your shield. Cash, gold, bonds, boring by design. But listen carefully. Without this bucket, every emergency becomes a financial disaster. Skip this, and you are gambling, not investing. Bucket number 2, the growth bucket, 60%. This is the engine. S&P 500, index funds, blue chip stocks. This is money you lock away for 10 to 20 years. Because here's the quiet danger nobody warns you about. Without growth, inflation quietly steals your future. Saving cash makes you poor. Investing makes you free. Bucket number 3, the speculation bucket, 10%. Crypto, meme coins, high-risk bets. This is where excitement lives. But here is the rule. Without limits, this is where dreams die. If it goes to 0, you're fine. If it goes to the moon, you win big. But never bet the farm here. I know talking about crashes and inflation sounds scary, but I'm not here to scare you. I'm here to prepare you. So take a deep breath. One last warning. This is a framework, not a religion. You can adjust the percentages based on your age, but never break the structure. The system protects you, not the numbers. Now let's talk about how this changes with age. Asset allocation is not one size fits all. Your strategy must evolve as your life does. If you're in your 20s, listen closely. Your greatest asset is time. You have decades ahead of you. That means you can be aggressive. More growth, less fear. You're not saving. You're building the foundation of your empire. But in your 40s or 50s, things change. Responsibilities rise. Time shrinks. Now, protecting what you've built matters more than chasing returns. Here's a simple rule to guide you. 100 minus your age. That number? That's how much you keep in stocks. It's not perfect, but it's flexible. And it works. Because again, this is not about being aggressive or conservative. It's about having a structure that lets you sleep at night and stay in the game long enough to win. Let's prove this with a real crisis. Meet two friends, Investor A and Investor B. Investor A thinks he is brave. He goes all in, 100% stocks. But then the crash hits. The market drops 50%. His money is cut in half. Every time he checks his phone, red. The stress is unbearable. So what does he do? He panics. He sells everything to stop the pain. He is out of the game. Now, look at Investor B. She followed the 60-40 split. When the same storm hits, her stocks drop. But her safety bucket? Solid as a rock. She doesn't panic. In fact, she does something genius. While Investor A is crying, she looks at her cash pile. She realizes the world's best companies are on sale. She buys the dip. When the market recovers, and it always does, Investor B rockets ahead. This is the secret. Asset allocation isn't just about avoiding losses. It's about having the ammunition to attack when everyone else is retreating. That is how the rich get richer. One final secret: rebalancing. Once a year, check your buckets. Did your stocks grow too fast? Sell some profit. Move it back to safety. Sell high. Buy low. Automatically. I know, the math can be confusing, so don't do it yourself. I built a free asset allocation worksheet for you. It does all the math automatically. Just enter your number. It tells you exactly what to buy and what to sell. Check the link in the description. Download it. Use it. Building wealth isn't a sprint. It's a system. Subscribe to the hub. Build your ship. And let's master this game. Learn to be free.